In this video, we'll show you how to apply a simple script to your spreadsheet to add timestamps automatically, as well as formulas and keyboard shortcuts you can use to timestamp individual cells. Script Editor. Click on Extensions. Select Apps Script. This will open a new tab where you can create a script that will be bound to your spreadsheet. Give your script a name. Click the box and type in your own title to rename the script. Paste the code into the scripting window. Delete whatever is in the box and replace it with a script that will insert a timestamp, such as this one. Make any changes you like to the code. If you want to edit where and how the timestamp will appear in your spreadsheet, you can make adjustments to the script. The M in line 4 of the script indicates the column where the timestamp will appear. If you want it to appear in a different column, change it to whichever letter or column name you like. You can also change the number format in line 7 to display just the time if you like. Click Save Project button at the top of the App Script project window. This will apply the script to your Google spreadsheet. Click back over to your Google Sheets tab and enter some data. The timestamp should appear in the same row, in whichever column you specified in your script. Time and date formulas. Insert the formula equals now, open parenthesis, close parenthesis into a cell to display the time and date. This will cause the current date and time to appear in that cell. Use the formula equals text, now, to show the current time. If you prefer to display the time using a 24-hour clock instead of a 12-hour clock, capitalize HH in the formula. You can also add milliseconds by adding .0000 after the SS at the end of the formula. Add AM/PM to the end of the formula if you're using a 12-hour clock and want to indicate the time of day more accurately. Change how often the timestamp updates in Settings. Open the File menu. Select Settings to open the settings for this spreadsheet dialog box. Click on the Calculation tab. Under the Recalculation heading, click on the drop-down menu and select how often you want the timestamp to update. The options are on change and every minute, and on change and every hour. Use the General settings to update your time zone. Click the General tab. Under Time Zone, click the drop-down menu and select the correct time zone. When you're done, click Save Settings. Keyboard shortcuts. Insert the time into a cell with Ctrl+Shift+semicolon on your keyboard. This will display the current time in this format in that cell. Add the date using Ctrl+semicolon. Use this shortcut to show just the date without the time in the selected cell. Use Ctrl+Alt+Shift+semicolon to enter time and date. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.